daytime.
Yeah, this is the Pumari,
Okay.
7,100 meter high. You see, it's very near to Pumari and Nopse Peak, and then this is Nopse, 7,100 like more, and then this is Lase, 8,516.
Amazing. Yeah, so this is the first video because this morning we are so focused on getting away. So hopefully we can reach Gorakshep very soon. So we have reached the village of Gorakshep.
So finally made our last destination place.
Yeah.
And near to our dream point, not too very far. Here to slowly 2 hours something in our Everest base camp. And then there also we make a mini video, make a many picture, and we can see the big glacier, Kumbu glacier. But now we cannot see the just little bit Mount Everest. Maybe later we see the big Everest, and then you see the very close to Pumari Mountain.
Yeah,
And
Pumari Mountain.
So yeah, there is a many helicopters.
Yeah.
So we are very happy to
So this is the Gorakshep closest evacuation from Everest base camp.
Yes.
So you can see a lot of helicopters.
Kalapattar and Everest base camp also very close to Gorakshep. So that our last destination, our last temple also here. So now we did everything. So hopefully we are very strong.
Very
like
nice.
Mountain yak, so that we are very happy. Finally, everywhere we think we are very strong. So we are mountain yak.
Thank you, Amar. Okay, so now we go and look for our guest house.
Yes,
And-
lunch and guest house.
Okay.
Tonight we stay here, we take a lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything here. And then maybe tomorrow, hopefully we do it to the helicopter, and then we back to the hotel, and then we take a breakfast, and then we go back to our destination is Bangladesh, but let's see how the situation is. We are tired. We stay Hilute Somari also pushing. Finally we are very happy we made last destination place.
Yeah.
We are very strong, so we are very happy for this try, so we are very happy. Thank you for Alpine Ramble, and thank you for you.
Thank you.
I need the very good plans for that. I'm very happy for you and our company also. Thank you.
Thank
so
you,
much.
Alpine Ramble. Very
You
good
also.
guiding.
Thank you for you also, because you are very good plan for that. I'm very happy with you.
Okay, so I'll show you guys later the guest house. And
We make a video. Thank you so much.
okay.
Hello, namaste.
Yeah.
You can see the big Kumbu glacier. So many rocks here. Yes, that's very far in the glacier. 40 minutes something. The base camp. And we make a video. There are no worries.
I think today's weather is good.
Weather is
We
very
can
good,
see the Everest peak also. Yeah. And the base camp is also within our sight.
Yes, you see the many
Yellow color.
rocks. This is the base camp area.
All right.
Yeah, maybe.
No, Everest is still within our sight. The sky is clear. Gonna take some photo with Everest. Getting closer. So this is the very happening base camp landmark rock. Everyone is taking photo. So we are at the 5,364. From here, we are able to see so many different base camp from different teams attempting to summit the world top, which is the Everest, top of the world. It's very close to see Everest from here. Namaste everyone. So we finally at the base camp. How do you feel?
Oh, I'm very, very good. And you?
Yeah, I feel okay. Yeah, thanks to Mama, all the support. Finally here. So nice.
Finally, we do it Christmas Cup.
Yeah.
So we are very happy.
And the weather is actually very good.
Yeah.
You can see actually the Everest is still visible
Yeah.
at this point of time.
Yes. This is our last destination place. So
Yeah.
later we say the bye-bye this time, and then we go back to Gorakshep, and then tonight we stay there.
Okay.
See you the Gorakshep. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay,
Thank you
sounds
so
good.
much.
See you.
Hey, you can boil water.